I'm sure a lot of persons out there are somewhat like me, where you wonder, do silicone patches or skincare patches work? Do they? I don't know. I've never tried one before. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordan and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, if you're returning, thank you so much for the continued love and support. So like my intro said, I have been seeing skincare patches or influencers incorporating skincare or beauty patches into their makeup routine, and I've always wondered, do they really work? I've never used them before. I'm not sure if any one of my friends have ever used them before, but today we'll be reviewing the Oia Anti-Winkle Patches. Now, today's video, I'm so thankful to Oia for sending me this package that I'll be reviewing for you guys. Disclaimer, the thoughts and opinions that I will be giving in this video are completely my own. I'm a bit excited to see what the results will be like, because I have seen some persons saying that they give you that Botox like effect, and I'm kind of curious. I want to see if that's really the case with these specific skincare patches. Alright, so let's talk a little bit about what you get in this package. So the package comes with 7 patches, and the package reads anti-wrinkle patches for your forehead, eyes, smile, neck and chest. I took this from the company's page, the About Us, and their commitment, so let's get into it. A brand or commitment. A brand founded on honesty and innovation, Oia aims to make products that provide skincare solutions which last. Oia is constantly evolving by your side and combating aging with science and technology, as well as years of experience in the skincare industry. At the heart of Oia is its desire to deliver transparency and openness. Oia provides innovative solutions for you to combat skin worries at any age. We believe in creating the future of skin solutions which embrace beauty and self-love. I really like what the company has on their website, and I just want to see more. I want to know more. What are these patches? What exactly are they? What are their benefits? So again, the ingredients were taken directly from their website, and it says Demithicon 100% medical grade silicone, a completely safe and fuss-free method to hydrate and heal your skin, backed by science. Silicone has been used in the medical industry for years and is recommended by doctors for its simple yet effective properties. Now, it still has left me with a few more questions. I'm not sure about you, but I now want to know, what exactly is medical grade silicone? Medical grade silicone. Oia's anti-wrinkle patches uses silicone that has been tested for the use in medical applications. The patches are soft, mild and gentle for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Oia development team produces or anti-wrinkle patches in the same manufacturing environment as medical scar healing patches. These patches are designed to be worn safely on the skin for long periods of time. They contain no toxins and are non-porous, resisting bacterial growth. Now that sounds pretty good. It also went on to say ultra hydrating with occlusion effect. Oia patches, when attached to the skin, form a microclimate between the patch and the skin, ultimately creating an occlusion effect on your skin. The occlusion effect minimizes water loss for your skin, moisture in your skin, and helps your skin outermost layer to build a barrier against the potential harmful effects to your skin. The occlusion effect increases hydration to the outer layer, ultimately reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. By increasing the skin's surface temperature and increasing blood flow, occlusion also helps your skin to look and feel more healthy. Now, if that doesn't sound good, I don't know what does. Let's talk about the skin for a little bit before we get into the patches themselves. Now, I am no dermatologist or doctor, but based on the research that I was doing, I came across something that I'm not sure if everyone knows, but when you hit the age of 20, collagen in your face begins to rapidly decline. Now, what is collagen and what does it mean when your face starts to lose collagen? When your face loses collagen, it starts to show signs of aging. That means wrinkles and fine lines starts to form. So if there is something that you can use to combat aging, if you're the type of person who doesn't necessarily want to look your age or embrace your age, but you still want to look good and you might not want to try anything surgical, then maybe these patches are for you. But I don't know if they are for me because I have not tried them as yet. Alright, so let's talk about what these patches are. Because you are losing collagen from the face, what happens is that wrinkles and the skin starts to dry out and becomes wrinkled. The skin normally loses moisture and elasticity, causing dryness, and the formation of wrinkles starts to appear. Now, what the patches will do, they will lock in moisture. The microclimate draws in moisture from the lower layer of the skin for deep hydration while letting your skin comfortably breathe. It also increases blood flow. So increased blood flow to purify your skin and give you a healthy, youthful glow. And finally, the patches rejuvenates the skin is left more hydrated and stronger than before, showcasing a smoother and brighter complexion. Alright, so far everything seems good. So now I want to basically get into how to apply these patches. So I will be reading from the back of the packaging. Alright, so the direction says step 1, thoroughly cleanse and dry your skin before usage. Allow the skincare to properly absorb prior to patch application, and as excess moisture might cause the patches to slide off. Step 2 says carefully remove the seal from the patch and position above the desired area. Make sure to stretch the surface of your skin as much as possible before application. The third step is, after applying the patch, gently press onto it to flatten out any air bubbles that may form. And finally, after use, rinse the patches with just water or with mild soap and allow the patches to air dry adhesive side up before storing them back on the sheet provided. And the company says that you can reuse these patches anywhere between 10 to 15 times. Can you believe it? 10 to 15 times. So let's open up this bad boy. So this is the first time I'm opening up the patches. I've never opened it before. Alright, I'm not sure if you can see, but the package came with this cute little like information pamphlet. I would say it has the how to use steps in here. It's in English and Spanish. On the back it talks about the science behind their patches and also other patches that are available on their website so that you can try out for yourself. Okay, so I'm seeing where it came with some sheets and it said stick your patches here. So it's like, I don't know what type of material this is. It doesn't feel silicone-y, but after I use these patches and I cleanse them with water and let them air dry, this is the two sheets that I will be sticking them back on and putting them back in this same package that they came. Alright, so I got two of these. This is the one for the forehead, the one for the neck, and the one for the chest. You guys can't see because the light is shining this way, but yeah, I'm going to remove this one. This is the one for the chest area. Oh, before I apply these, I think it's a great idea that they gave you one for the chest and the neck area, because the chest is one of the areas to show signs of aging first. So I'm just gonna take this off. Alright, so my skin is actually clean. I did cleanse my face my neck and my upper chest area before I came on camera, and I also did apply a cream to my face. So now I'm trying to look in the mirror to apply. Yeah. Alright, so I have the one on for my chest area. Now I'm gonna go in with the one for the neck area. It's kind of like lifting here. I think I didn't center it properly. Maybe I should have applied this one last. Alright, now I'm going in with the one for my forehead. Going in with the ones for the eye and mouth area. I'm not even sure if I'm applying them correctly, but I'm just winging it, guys. I think I need to go and like dry my neck a little bit before I apply the neck one again, but this is what it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna put this on and come back. Okay, so the patch on my neck is on. This is what it looks like. I don't think I smooth out here properly. Yeah, that is it. I'm just going to set my timer for an hour. My timer has begun. So my timer has begun. I will see you guys in an hour. Okay guys, so I am back after about an hour and 7 to 8 minutes. I did fall asleep. So this is basically what the patch are looking like. The one on my neck, it gave me a lot of trouble. It didn't stay on. Every time I put it on, I'm not sure if it's because the time is humid, why it keeps on falling off, but it fell off a lot. Even before I went to lay down, it fell off consistently. I tried to use my towel to dry my neck and it just kept on falling off. So not sure why. The one on my chest, it really did stick until I went to sleep. So it's as you can see, it's kind of lifting in this general area. So I'm just gonna take that off. And yes, I am realizing that there was some amount of sweat that got in between the patch and my skin. So I'm assuming that's one of the reasons why the patch was falling off. The ones on my face, they held up pretty good, as you can see. Alright, something that I noticed when I did apply the patches, I noticed I felt like a little tingling sensation around my mouth area. But besides that, I didn't feel any tingling sensation anywhere else. This just started to lift a little bit, not that much, but a little. And this one I think is lifting a little bit as well. Again, I am feeling sweat, you know, on my skin when I remove the patches. And then the eye ones, they really held up well. I didn't really, the eye patches falling off. Yeah, so I think I'm going to sleep with the eye ones tonight to see how they hold up. On my end, alright, so I don't really have a lot of fine lines or wrinkles, so maybe I'm not the best person to give you like my thoughts on the product. But for my under eye area, I did have like, I think I'm gonna do like a clip at the beginning. I'm just gonna repeat a clip from the beginning of what my face looked like. So in the beginning, you could see like I had two little like small, I wouldn't call them lines, but you notice right here, yeah, so it was more visible on this side versus now when I took off the patch, it isn't as visible. Sometimes I get these whenever I don't get enough sleep. The one for my forehead now, again, sweat is like in between the patch and my skin. I don't know if that will affect the patches from working effectively as they should, but as I said, I did apply skincare, so I'm not sure if that also contributed to me experiencing the moisture. I don't know. So far I am not really seeing any big difference, I would say, when I started applying the patches versus now. To me, it even made this eye puffier based on how I set it. This one kind of wasn't set properly on my eye, so to me it has caused some type of puffiness under this eye versus this eye. It doesn't have it. But looking at my face in the mirror, I think I would like to try these again, because I don't know, again, as I said, they do recommend if you want to apply your skincare before you would apply the skincare and let it dry, which I did do that. I did apply my skincare and I did allow it to dry, but as I said, because of the climate, you know, it's very hot right now, so I'm not sure if that caused like me to sweat and then the moisture got in between my skin and the patch, and then it didn't like set properly on my face. So I am not able to give like a good judgment on that because of this, because I don't know if, you know, I really got any results, and I'm not really seeing any results. As I said, there's only one thing that I saw underneath my eye. It only works on this eye because I set this one a little bit differently and it wasn't set properly, so it actually gave me a little bit of bag underneath my eye, maybe because I went to sleep. But besides that, I'm really not seeing any difference. But again, they do recommend that you try it multiple times to really see results. So I guess I will try it a few more times to see what exactly the results are, and if I do see any like drastic or major result to note, I will incorporate that in one of my upcoming videos. But yeah, let's talk about the price. This item costs $69.99. Yes, I know it sounds like a lot, $69.99, but the company did say you get between 10 to 15 uses out of this product. So what if you got only 10 uses out of this product? If you got 10 uses out of the patch, $6.99 per use, right? Because you know, a typical mask, you can only wear it once and then you have to discard of it, and if you wore the mask up to 15 times, you'd basically be spending $4.66 per use or per mask, which it is a great price if you think about it. Don't think about the one-time payment, think about how often you can use these patches and the amount of wears that you get from them, and then you will see, okay, this $69.99 is worth it. On their website, they also have a lot of bundle deals, so you can get this anti-wrinkle 7 patches from Oia, or you can combine your order with other items on their website. I will link their website down below, as well as a discount code for me. So if you choose to purchase and try these out for yourselves, you can use my discount code at checkout. So my discount code is YTJordan. I will link it down below in the description bar as well, so that you can have that, and I will also leave a link that will take you directly to this product, this specific product, on Oia's website. Alright guys, so that is basically it for today. I want to thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you for staying with me. Really truly do appreciate you guys, and yeah, please subscribe if you have not already subscribed. And I would also like to know from you in the comment section, have you ever heard of Oia before? Have you ever tried any of their products? It might be this one, it might be something else. Have you ever tried anything for them before? Let me know down in the comment section. As always guys, stay safe, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.